Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to cancel an appointment booking order in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on Websites. Now, next to the website or the online store that you want to cancel an appointment booking on, click on Manage Store. This way, you will land automatically on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now go to Orders, and here open the appointment booking order that you want to cancel, and click on More Actions and select Cancel Order. Once you cancel an order, it can't be undone. Check this box next to Send Cancellation Email to your customer and hit Cancel on Order. As you see, order cancelled. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost Web Hosting, Hostinger Web Hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And hit Cancel on Order. As you see, order cancelled. And this is the email message that your customer will receive regarding the order cancellation. Order number cancelled. And this is how to cancel an appointment booking order in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.